Imagine giving your furry best friend the gift of vibrant health with food you've prepared yourself. Making homemade dog food is a rewarding way to control exactly what goes into your dog's bowl, ensuring they get the perfect balance of nutrients for optimal well-being. Step 1 is all about preparation and ingredient selection. You need a protein source, ideally cooked, like chicken, turkey, or lean beef, and a carbohydrate source such as cooked sweet potatoes, brown rice, or oats. Don't forget healthy fats from sources like a spoonful of fish oil or flaxseed oil. And finally, nutrient-rich vegetables like carrots, green beans, or peas. Now, let's get cooking. For our practical demonstration, we'll start with lean ground turkey. Cooked thoroughly, you'll want to cook it until it's no longer pink and drain off any excess fat. Next, we'll prepare our carbohydrate. This is a sweet potato. Boiled until tender, and then mashed. This provides essential fiber and vitamins. For our vegetables, we'll steam some chopped green beans and carrots until they're soft enough for digestion. Steaming preserves more of their vital nutrients than boiling. Now for the crucial part, balancing. A general guideline for a balanced homemade diet is roughly 50% protein, 25% carbohydrates, and 25% vegetables and healthy fats. It's vital to consult your veterinarian to determine the exact proportions for your individual dog, considering their age, breed, activity level, and any existing health conditions. Once all components are cooked and cooled, it's time to mix gently. Combine your protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables. If you're adding supplements like fish oil, now is the time to incorporate them according to your vet's recommendation. Portion control is key. Overfeeding can lead to obesity, while underfeeding can cause nutritional deficiencies. Again, your veterinarian is your best resource for determining the correct portion size for your dog. Divide the batch into individual proportion meals for easy daily feeding. Store the prepared food in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, or longer in the freezer. Always introduce new foods gradually to avoid digestive upset. Making homemade dog food requires research and veterinary guidance, but the rewards of seeing your dog thrive are immeasurable. Happy cooking!